Well guys, this is the director and founder of CEA, means Cosmos English Institute. Guys, that batch has commenced embarked from the 6th December and this is the Evening Warriors batch. So guys, in this session we are doing the activity. We are conducting the activity in front of camera, and the main motto of conducting such an activity in front of camera is nothing guys. I have to check the body language of the students, how they elaborate the thoughts in front of camera. If they are speaking in front of people, that time this is the beneficial trick and strategy for them. So before some days, from 6th December, I have commenced the such era like that. I have taught them how to introduce themselves. After that, how to tell the time in English language. After that, use of demonstrative pronoun. There are 3 bits we have covered in this session, and now we are going to do the practice regarding that 3 bits. Introduction, after that demonstrative pronoun, and then how to tell the time in English language. And finally guys, with the help of that blog, I want to share one thing in front of you with all the students, with all the viewers, like that. If there is a dream, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. And you are the hunger about to fulfill your dream. So guys, look, you have to work on yourself, you have to upgrade your level. Guys, and finally one thing, look, if you are doing what you yesterday did, that time you will get what you yesterday got. So you have to want the extraordinary result, then you have to change your routine. And one thing guys, change your habit, and your habit will change your future. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So we have to do the practice like that. So first you have to introduce yourself one by one. First I am going to hand over this mic towards Anushka. Anushka will elaborate all the information regarding introduction. She will introduce herself. After that Megha, then Jagdish, then Abhay, then Naneshwar, and then Altaf. So one by one we can complete the activity like that, the introduction. After that we have to do the practice regarding the demonstrative pronoun, and then you have to do the practice regarding time, how to tell the time. There are so many students will ask the time and you have to give the answer. Are you ready? So take the mic, introduce yourself in a proper way, and then start. Okay?
Good evening, all of you.
Say, speak loudly.
Good
Remove
evening,
that.
all of
You are using that. Okay? Sure.
Good evening, all of you.
Say loudly. Good evening, all of you. You have to be in an attitude and a positive manner. Yeah.
Good evening, all of you.
Yeah.
Activity, Anushka.
No, you have to introduce yourself. Not you have to tell that activity. You have to introduce yourself. I have elaborated 5 methods how to introduce yourself. Greeting, name, place, family. After that, qualification, additional qualification. Finally, thank you. Like you have to follow that 5 methods. Okay? Sure.
Good evening, all of you. It's me. My name is Anushka Singata. Family.
Family.
In my family, apart my parents, no. I have one elder brother. I live in Latur.
You live in Latur, right? Thank you. You live in Latur. Thank you. Good. Next, Megha.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Megha Sadhav. I am from Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have elder brother and one loving dog. I completed my bachelor's of art. Thank you.
You have completed Bachelor of Arts. Then what you have to elaborate? Thank you. Recover. I have elaborated 5 steps. Greeting, name, place, family, qualification, additional qualification, and then thank you. And one thing you have did while speaking, you haven't mentioned your full name. I have told you like that you have to mention your full name while speaking. Okay? After don't do such mistakes. You have to work on yourself. So next, Jagdish.
Good evening. My name is Jagdish Praveen Todkar. I am from Latur. My school name is Keshavraj Vidyalaya Latur. And in my family, apart from my parents, my grandmother and grandfather. Thank you.
Next, Abhay sir.
Good evening, all of you. My name is this is Abhay Ravindra Kulkarni. I belongs to Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, including me, There are three members: my wife, my child, and my younger sister. I have completed in Master of Computer Application. Now currently I am working in private sector. I am not a fresher. I have 6 years of experience in government sector. Also, I have completed ISTQB certification from Hyderabad in 2014. Really thank you for.
You began for Abhay sir. Excellent. You have followed all the methods. Proud of you. Amazing. Super kind. Sure. Speak. Ganesh. Okay. But lock and then do. Why do lock? Tell us one reason we have to lock also. Okay. No. You have to follow this method 90 days. This is very beneficial and this is the live video. Okay. We are doing live on YouTube. Yeah, you can start.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Nareshwar Suryavanshi. My name is Nareshwar Gulanath Suryavanshi. I have completed Bachelor's of Art in Kumaraswamy College, Hausa. In my family, apart
From your parents.
in my parents, I have one younger brother and two sisters.
I'm doing Bachelor of Law. What कैसे? I'm pursuing LLB. जे मुलं ना चांगल्या प्रकारे बोलतात ना ते घरी जाऊन प्रॅक्टिस करतात. जे बोलत नाहीत ना ते मध्ये कुठेतरी थांबतात. घरी तुम्हाला फक्त 15 मिनिट तुमच्यावरती काम करायचं आहे. 15 मिनिट. Guys, you have to follow the 15-minute method. LSRW means listening, speaking, writing and reading. If you are following that method, that time I will give the PBL method. Nothing as PBL is the practice-based learning. So you have to do the practice just like that, listening, speaking, writing and reading with the help of practice-based learning. So today we are working on the GTM method, grammar translation method. You have to become the fluent English speaker like me. So you have to work on yourself like that. Just you have to do 15 minutes for yourself. Daily 15 minutes for 21 days, for 90 days. If you are doing the 15 minutes at your work, at your home, you are doing the practice, that time you will get the beneficial result. If you don't work on yourself 15 minutes, that time you won't get the result. So it depends on you. Choice is yours. You have to work 15 minutes or not. Are you working or not? Will you work? Karal ka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So speak.
Good evening. My name is Sadiq Allah Kalaudin. I am from Latur. In my family, apart from my parents, I have younger brother. I am BCA student. Also, I am completed 12.
Now guys, we have completed the activity like that. We have just finished the introductory session and all the students had done amazingly. So guys, we are going to move on towards next chapter, and next chapter is like that. We have to work on the how to tell the time in English language. How to elaborate the time manners in English language. If someone asks the time, that time how to tackle such a question. Look guys, there is only 3 methods to tell the time. First is use as o'clock, means of the clock. After that, use of to when time is realized, that time we have to use the to. After that, we have to use the part when time is over. When time is past, that time we have to use the part. And I have given formula to all the students how to elaborate the time, and like that minute plus 2 plus hour, and another one is minute plus past plus hour. With the help of that 2 formula, we have to elaborate the time in front of all the people, in front of relatives, friends, and there are so many colleagues also. If someone asks you the time, that time you have to deal with the such both formulas. Part one is the to and second one is the part. This is very easy method, and I have elaborated the how to ask the time like a 5 method. Part one is time please. After that, number 2 is may I know time please. After that, can you inform me time? Then may I know time please by your watch. Will you tell me the time? Like that, these are the 5 beneficial methods to ask the time, and this is the worldwide technique to ask the time. Yeah, just like that, if you want to ask the time, just you have to mention one attitude on your face and you have to elaborate like that. So time please, ma'am, time please. After that, if you want to ask to your friend, that time you have to use the can as a model auxiliary. And with the help of that model auxiliary, you have to ask the time like that. Can you tell me time? Just you have to work on your accent, utterances and pronunciation like that. Can you tell me the time? Will you like to share time? Will you like to share time by your watch? May I know time please? Just like that. Now we have going to create two groups. First group is like that, Altaf, Naresh and Abhay. Second group is Jagdish, Megha and Anushka. That group asks the time to this group and this group will elaborate the whatever time is, okay, like that. And after that this group will ask the time to that group and that group will be ask the answers of that, tackle the answers of that question. So guys, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go. First, who will ask the time? Okay, take one's name and ask the time. Okay, take 1 foot ahead, take 1 foot ahead and 1 back. Okay, good. This is the sitting arrangement. Sorry. Yeah. Time.
Excuse me, Anushka. May I know time, please?
It's 6 o'clock.
It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Yeah, next.
Megha, can you please tell me time, please?
Can you please tell the time?
Can you please tell the time?
It's 4:30.
It's 4:30. Right. So next, Jagdish.
Jagdish, will you inform me? Will you inform me the time?
It's 10 p.m.
It's 10 p.m. Prime Minister. Post meridian. I like it. So, Naresh.
Naresh, what is your school timing?
What's your college
What's
time?
your college time?
12:30.
12:30. Good. It's 12:30. Like that. Yeah. Altaf.
Altaf, what's your lunch timing?
What's your lunch time?
3:15.
3:15. It's your lunch time.
It is 3:15.
Okay, it's your lunch time. Okay, chalo. Night. You begin for Abhay sir. Great, Abhay sir.
Excuse me, time please.
2:45.
Quarter to 3. Quarter past 3 or quarter to 3?
3:45.
Quarter to 3. Okay, next.
Sir, may I know the time?
7 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Good, good.
Can you inform me the time, sir?
Quarter to 11.
Quarter to 11.
Jagdish, what is time by your watch?
What's the time
It's
right
7
now?
p.m.
Yeah, good. Proud of you. Right?
Anushka, time please.
At 38 past 11.
It's 13 past 11. Chalo, hand over the mic towards Anushka. You begin for Megha. Great, Megha. You are doing well practice. Amazing.
Hi, Altaf. Can you tell me the time?
It is 7 o'clock.
It's
7 o'clock.
okay. Ask to Nanesh.
Excuse me, time please.
15 past 12.
15 past 12. Good. Chalo, right?
Excuse me, sir. May I know the time?
35 past 2.
Okay, next.
What's the time?
It's 7:40.
Megha, can you tell me the time?
40.
These are the demonstrative pronouns. Like demonstrative pronouns are these, that, these, those, here and there. Where do you use that verb? Where do you use that words?
It is used to
Yeah.
singular and
Look guys, the demonstrative pronouns are used like to show the object, to show the thing, to show the place. These things are plural or singular or living or non-living things to show anything, any person, any place. Like here is, there is, this is, that is, these are, those are. So these, that, these, those. The use of these, that, these, those, here and there. It is known as the use of demonstrative pronoun. So we are going to do the practice regarding these sentences. Now guys, you have to tell the things. Whatever you have to near and what is the away from you. Are you ready guys to tell the things? Okay. Who will start first? Who will want to elaborate? Who will want to initiate? Yeah. Abhay sir, Nanesh, Altaf, then Jagdish, then Megha and Anushka. Who will elaborate the things?